Everyone loves a product that has been made just for them. But how can you create unique, bespoke pieces without them being extremely expensive to produce? Welcome to the world of custom manufacturing using 3D printing. It's useful for creating bespoke jewellery, furniture, home accessories, architectural details, replacement parts for discontinued items, accessories such as shoes and bags, costumes and props for stage and screen, and even some everyday clothing. With the technology and range of materials it can use evolving all the time, the scope for 3D printing is constantly expanding. Traditional manufacturing relies on producing large volumes of identical or similar products to be economical and profitable. As soon as you move away from the model you're producing, production costs will increase. Then, to make your profit, you need to make that product more expensive, which can shrink your potential market. 3D printing overcomes these issues, enabling you to make one-off items and limited edition runs, short runs, economically, without changing your entire production setup. Making a custom product through any manufacturing process starts the same way, by getting a sense of what the client wants in terms of style, materials, colours, functionality, and measurements. The design is developed in a CAD program and can be viewed in 3D to see how it looks from all the angles. Simulation can show the design in a place or in use to check if it meets the client's requirements. At this point, the 3D printer comes into play. Depending on the nature of the project and the expense of the materials involved, the 3D printer could be used to make a prototype in a cheaper medium, to test and finesse the design before the final piece is produced. Using the CAD file as its digital input, the 3D printer, also known as an additive manufacturing machine, will replicate the design layer by layer. Quality 3D printers designed for manufacturing can print in a vast array of materials: plastics, ceramics, carbon fibre, metallic powders, precious metals, wood composites, even chocolate. Some can combine different materials as they print. With a bit of cleaning and refining and a final quality check, your one-of-a-kind product is ready to present to your client, bringing their vision to life. 3D printers can recreate complicated designs much faster and more accurately than the human hand or traditional machinery. Changing from one design to another is simply a matter of changing the CAD input. Unlike manufacturing process, which involves cutting shapes out of larger pieces, 3D printing creates little to no waste material. And you don't need to find or invest in molds, custom machinery, or specialist labour for each job. Manufacturing using 3D printing technology allows you to create one-offs at a good price point, cater to the market niches that would not usually be worthwhile, and stand out from the crowd in competitive markets. The ability to create personalised products which meet your customers' needs exactly can generate huge demand and customer loyalty. By leveraging 3D printing for custom manufacturing, they'll be tickled pink without you being in the red.